Hey guys, Trevor here from Lume Cube to break down the all-new Ring Light Pro, one of the sleekest and high-quality ring lights to ever exist. All items are stowed away in their designated area inside the zipper case, making this a travel-friendly ring light that can withstand any bumps along the way. First, we'll start with what comes inside the box. First, you'll get your Ring Light Pro, the all-new light stand, a phone clip, the remote control, a power cord, and the travel case. Next, you'll notice the light itself. It's 17 inches in diameter, but is extra thin and features a very sleek form factor. This is due to the edgelit technology being used inside the light. 256 LEDs are lined around the inside of the ring that shine the light inward and onto the subject. This makes this one of the sleekest ring lights ever and produces an extra soft, flattering, but powerful light. Moving around to the back, we have an all-new internal rechargeable battery. This is an absolute game changer and truly sets this ring light apart. This gives you the option to use the ring light while you're plugged into power, or you can unplug it and use it anywhere as it's powered from the internal battery source. While using the battery power, you can run the ring light for over an hour on full brightness. You can't look at this battery without noticing the all-new control center on the Ring Light Pro. We've redesigned the back screen to make it more informative and easier to use than ever. On the screen, you'll notice you can monitor your brightness, color temperature, and the battery life if you're using the battery power, including the estimated time remaining on your given brightness setting. Moving to the left side, you'll notice your power switch, the DC power port, and my favorite, 2 USB-A ports to keep your phone or other devices charged up and ready to shoot. On top, you'll see 2 shoe mounts and a 1/4-20 mount. The shoe mounts can hold any accessory like a microphone, additional lighting, or a camera. The 1/4-20 mount is where you mount the included smartphone mount. But whatever you're filming with, you'll definitely want to mount the camera in this center spot so your lighting is nice and symmetrical. On the right side, you'll notice 2 dials, one to adjust brightness and one to adjust color temperature. Below those, you'll notice a subtle black button to pair your remote. We'll get into that in a little. Moving down, you'll see the reconstructed tilt head. If you want to do any top-down filming for flat lays, this tilt head will be your best friend. Just below the tilt head is where we have our connection point to the all-new Lume Cube light stand. The Lume Cube light stand is a brand new product in our line, and it came from, well, looking at all the light stands out there and not really liking what we were seeing. We wanted to make one of our own that 1, looks great, 2, is easy to use, 3, packs down to a small form factor, and 4, is extra stable and reliable to hold your light setup without any wiggle or shake. The rubberized square feet on the bottom give it a solid base, and the extension clamps are the easiest way to lock your height in and know you're good to go. All right, now that we know our way around the Ring Light Pro, let's get into how to use it. Once you open the box, the first thing you'll do is set up your light stand. Next, you'll grab the ring light itself and mount it to the top of your light stand. You can tighten your ring light to the light stand by using the attached screw on the connection point. You can also adjust the angle of your lighting using the tilt head screw. Just however you angle it, and make sure that you tighten it enough to where your lighting is secure. Next, grab your power cable, plug into your power source, and insert the other end into the power port on the side of the ring light. Keep in mind, once you plug in, you can start using your ring light right away, just like any other ring light out there. But as long as it is plugged in, the internal battery will be recharging. So after a little bit of time, you can unplug it and operate cable-free. Even if you don't plan on traveling far and wide with your ring light, this is a great feature, even if you're shooting indoors and you don't want to move your cables from outlet to outlet. This is truly friction-free lighting. Next, hit that power button and your light will turn on. Take a look at your back screen to see your current settings. As mentioned, you can adjust both the brightness and the warmth of your light. Use the top dial to adjust the brightness and the bottom dial to adjust the warmth. And you can see these changes being reflected on the back screen in real time. If you're using the battery power, you'll also notice that as you adjust the brightness, your battery life will also change on your back screen. The less brightness you use, the longer your light will last. But it gives you that information here so the light doesn't die on you unexpectedly. The Ring Light Pro can last over an hour on full brightness using the battery powered option. Now, let's get your smartphone mounted to the Ring Light Pro. First, grab the smartphone mount from your bag and screw it onto the 1/4-20 thread on top. We've included a separate tension disc to allow you to angle your smartphone clip in the perfect direction. Once mounted, you can attach your phone to the clip like so. Best thing about this smartphone mount is you can easily flip from portrait to landscape filming by simply rotating your phone. The Ring Light Pro can be wirelessly controlled using the included remote. Your remote has been pre-connected to your light. So long as your ring light is on, your remote will work right out of the box. If not, follow these instructions. On the remote, press and hold the channel button until the red indicator light starts flashing. On the ring light, press and hold the channel button for 2 seconds until your light and the little H located underneath the battery icon on the control panel begin to flash. Next, on your remote, press the brightness increase or decrease button to adjust the channel frequency from H1 to H9. On both the ring light and the remote, press the channel buttons for 2 seconds until both the ring light and the red indicator light stops flashing. On the remote, you can adjust brightness and color temperature while using the white pad. From the pad, we have some hotkeys to make some quick adjustments. Tap the color temperature button to quickly change your light from warm to white, or tap the brightness buttons to quickly adjust brightness from 1/4, half, or full brightness. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of how to use the Ring Light Pro. If you have any further questions we didn't cover today, send us a message on social, reach out to support@lumecube.com, or post your comment in the Lume Cube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.